still have true love. That is so common within us.
For real?
We all love money. Big
a
out
lot of girls, but the
biggest booty girls, they come from Uganda.
If it's not you,
Yeah?
wouldn't be filming down there, but you gave us a lot of confidence.
My first time of meeting her, I just realized she's a nice mom.
Yeah. Nice mom, please come to Uganda. We're going to host you. I know you'll have fun.
You guys are lucky to have nice mom. She's a whole vibe. She's lively. She's lovely. She's
10,000.
Nice mom. Nice mom is a beautiful lady. I love her so much. Can please somebody come for me?
Ladies can swallow me. Yeah. What's common about Ugandan ladies?
They're very beautiful. And
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, I'm Nice Mom. So thank you so much for the support. I appreciate so much. I'm so excited, guys. Yeah, I know I could not have made it without you guys. Yeah, I've been seeing people reaching 1K subscribers. Now I was just wondering if one time Mom Nice will reach 1K. Yeah, I'm so appreciative, guys. Yeah, so it is nice, and I hope you'll continue supporting me and maybe making me reach 2,000 now. Yeah.
Does it have a flash right
Okay,
now?
whom do I start with? Is it the driver?
Everybody, you think you can start?
Excuse me. Okay, that person who drives a motorbike. That person is also called a driver.
A rider.
Oh, let me talk about this one. Give yourself a shout out.
Okay, hey guys, welcome and welcome back to this YouTube channel of Nice Mom.
Everybody knows my name in the village.
Nice Mom,
Yeah.
So my name is Lucas the Traveler. If at all the first time you're coming across my YouTube channel, consider by subscribing to Lucas the Traveler, and don't forget to subscribe to Nice Mom and my
you.
team.
Hello, everyone from Kenya.
This person is a traveler. I think he's practicing traveling using the motorbike.
He has packed us like bags.
Yes,
but we're
sweetheart.
okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
People of nice mom. You guys are lucky to have nice mom. She's a whole vibe. She's lively. She's lovely. She's everything. My name is Lynn Zabu.
Yes.
And my channel name is Lynn Zab's World.
There's a motorbike coming, guys. Let me just come this side. Yeah, it's okay. Are you okay?
Yeah, we're very
Give
fine.
yourself a shout out.
My channel name is Lynn Zabu, Lynn of L-Y,
Okay.
double N-E, and then Zabu of Z, double A,
Yeah.
B-U. I can't wait to meet you guys. So stay tuned to Nice Mom and make sure you watch her videos. And also don't skip the ads.
Yes, okay. It's, for us YouTubers, we are fun, even in the middle of the road.
I'm telling you, hello, beautiful Kenya.
It's all fun.
Karibu Kenya. Muko sawa, muko poa. Yes, it's Shami Vlog Uganda speaking
guy-
right
yeah,
here.
Kiswahili,
At
yeah.
Nice Mom's beautiful YouTube channel. You guys, she's a vibe. I've met her several times, but we vibed the very first time. Please consider subscribing on her channel, support her, and support me as well. Shami Vlog UG, Shami S-H-A-M-I, Vlog V-L-O-G-U-G. Yeah, I'm a Ugandan and a proud Ugandan. Nice mom, please come to Uganda. We're going to host you. I know you'll have fun.
Wow.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Hey, he's here.
Yes. Hello everyone, my name is Joel Obatan. My first time of meeting her, I just realized she's a nice mom.
Yeah, indeed.
Thank you.
Even before she told me her YouTube channel, I just realized she's a nice mom. Even she told me, hey, my channel name is Nice Mom. I was like, wow, you chose a perfect name for it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So check me out as well. I do travel vlogs at Joel Obatan. Obatan
Yes.
is O-B-E-R-T-A-N.
Yes, Joel is amazing guy. Yesterday he was fearing holding a camera and doing what? But then I told him, hey, hold that camera. Do you remember?
Yes, I remember.
Yes.
Yeah,
Actually, you
Thank
gave us
you.
a lot of confidence. And
Thank you.
Because if it's not you,
Yeah.
wouldn't be filming down there, but you gave us a lot of confidence. And right now, who are ready to hit it.
Thank you so much. You're meeting, guys. Look
you
us.
so much.
Yeah, guys, go check on them.
Yeah.
Please come, we go to the stream and
Yeah, we want to take a bath.
Joel Batan.
All these people are my people.
Yes.
Thank you so much. I'm coming.
Okay, welcome to Uganda.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, safe ride. Okay, thank you so much.
You're a cameraman.
Okay, thank you.
He wants to be our cameraman.
Look
At
at
the bath, yeah.
there's no. Excuse me, I'm coming right away.
we
Yeah,
are waiting for you.
I'm coming.
Come
I'm
we
coming.
hit it.
Thank you.
Nyabohanse to the world.
Okay, thank you so much. Hey guys, these guys are a vibe, yeah?
Yeah,
Are you
vibe.
seeing them? What are you carrying? Yes. Where were you cooking?
Soup.
Soup.
Yes.
How do you make this soup?
This is a cow's head.
Cow's head. Look at this one. It is
Yes.
cow's head.
Yes.
So how do you make it?
Actually, you remove the skin,
The skin, yeah?
and then it's a meat. This is a soup.
So there's always meat in the
Yes,
head.
yes.
Okay. And then,
You put more water.
yeah?
After 1 hour,
Okay.
30 minutes,
Okay.
it's ready.
It's ready.
Yes.
Yeah, the soup is just too nice. Yeah. So this one you're going to drink this?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm
I understand
taking
you have a channel. Give yourself a shout out. Just introduce your channel.
On my channel.
Yes.
Okay, I'm Divina Boke.
Yes.
Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So that is your channel.
Yes.
So far,
Divina
how many
Boke.
subscribers do you have?
I only have 20
Don't
subscribers.
use only. Those are people watching you. Those are your people, Divina, yeah? So we thank them. And then also, okay, if you are watching this video for the first time, kindly go check on Divina
Boke.
Divina Boke. She's amazing lady in the village, yeah? Guys, amazing. There's ugali here and soup. And this is meat from the head. Hello.
Hello guys, welcome to Nice Mom YouTube channel. Consider by subscribing, like and share. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Guys, you know people know me even in these shades. Yeah, as nice mom. Will you greet my people?
Oh yes, hi guys.
Yeah?
Welcome to
Nice mom.
Yes.
Yes. How is the soup?
Soup is fine. I want to drink something.
You want to taste or today? Are you supposed to put salt?
Yeah, yes. Inside.
Ah, okay. Business. Greet my people.
Yes, hello guys.
Yes.
Yes, my name is Nation.
Yeah.
Welcome to the
Nice mom.
Nice Mom YouTube.
Yes.
Subscribe, share,
Yes.
and comment. And see, here we are in lunch. We call it lunch.
Lunch. And this ugali is big, yeah?
Yeah, it's big,
Yes.
but you see we are two.
You're using this one too, yeah? So you're drinking the soup, and this one is meat. It is coming from the head of a cow. Okay. And this one is called, in our language here we call it, is it ochuri?
Ochuri.
How do you call it?
Degichule.
Okay, from the intestine of the cow.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. It is received and then it is boiled.
Yes.
Okay. So this is why this soup is this color. You put a churi here.
Like this.
Greet my guys.
Hi guys.
Okay, this person doesn't have many words. He's eating ugali. Okay, thank you. So, do you want to give me meat?
Yeah.
Which one?
This
That one
one,
is small for you.
you can
Take the
Who will pay for me?
Huh?
Who is paying for me?
very much.
This one,
This one. Just a minute. Who is paying for me?
we have both.
Who is the boss? Okay, thank you.
Yeah, be careful, Mama.
And we have a lot of clay here.
I want to collaborate with you.
But I don't know if we can test the
Mwabase.
I'm Bagana.
Oh, Mr. Cow is also from swimming. You're trying to check the depth?
Yes.
It's not deep there.
It's not deep. Nani was walking there. Careful though.
Mommy, congrats.
Is
it the same place?
Yeah.
Oh, slightly behind, please.
Wait, excuse me.
Yes, there. Yes, around there. That's where we kept. Contents.
How is the experience?
Nice.
Is it deep?
You're supposed to make.
Summer which is deep, eh?
Where?
The summer which is deep, eh?
Yeah, that's why
You have
she's.
to taste, yeah?
That's why she's testing.
You have to taste.
It's deep there. Where are you
Yeah,
going?
where? Here.
Yeah. You see?
No, it is not. But I think, yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, no.
I think it's not that deep.
Okay, here.
Just that you have to be careful where
Yeah,
you
you
put
have to
your
be
name.
very careful.
Careful where
Yeah,
you
you
put
have to
your
be
name.
very careful.
So guys, there's someone there sitting, people are relaxing. The river is peaceful actually.
She's brave, eh?
Ah,
She's
this
brave.
place is deep.
You're sure?
Ah,
Ah,
you see?
this one.
Yeah, it's deep. Yeah, it's deep.
You mean
Look.
it can follow you, eh?
Yes, this place is deep. Guys, me, I'm not any longer. Somebody come for me.
That it can swallow me.
Come for me.
You have help.
Now we sent you the powerful man of this view.
Wow, I'm done.
So how was that?
How was the experience?
I tell you, I love water.
I love water
no,
as
you
well.
don't like water. Why?
Say.
You refuse to go
No,
deep.
that place is deep. But you never see me bathing.
Oh, I saw you even in the rain. wherever.
Yeah, I saw that.
I can't wait, Shami. I can't wait to do my veranda, like that kapat in front of my house, so I can swim in the rain.
For the sake of
Rain. Yeah. But not the first time I went under the rain, I got sick.
So,
Yeah.
does this water get deeper by rain? When
Yeah, of course. It even floods up
It
to
is
here.
not like the way when we are in the dry season.
Right now.
Now it's deeper.
Because
Now
we
it's deeper.
are in.
You know, even the strength of water is carrying away the
That's
soil.
why.
And also is making some erosions inside.
yeah.
Like when you look at that side, that is the effect of water.
Yeah. Even this one actually,
Yes.
this is all the effect of
Yeah,
water.
yeah.
So this thing, it goes deep and
It goes
It
down.
connects to River Nile actually.
Huh?
Exactly.
Yeah.
River Nile.
Yeah, it connects to River Nile.
Yeah.
Oh.
As small as it is.
Yeah.
And we have a lot of,
have a
I don't know
river in
if
Uganda
these
that
people know that
floods.
the sand that Ayamaro is using
Yeah.
is coming right from this river.
Yes, by the way. I want to take him. And the most unique thing about there, I loved about that,
Yes.
it's because Ayamara is employing everyone.
Yeah.
If you see the person extracting sand, he's deaf.
Wow.
He's deaf. It's a unique thing. And he's lively on camera. He shows you that he wants to engage with you, but then unfortunately some of us,
And
yeah.
the sign language, yeah?
Yeah.
Language,
I
okay.
need to know how they say,
Uh-huh.
how are you in sign language.
In sign language.
Amy, I did like this.
Maybe the
Yeah, so
I knew the camera is on.
don't hold the river.
The guy has bathed, yeah? Look at my shari. It's only that my camera cannot catch him. Very far.
You want to catch the face box, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come.
But it's nature.
Okay. Hey. Will you be able? Wow. Imagine.
She's our sister from Uganda.
From Uganda.
You all can get happy and you feel happy.
Yeah, exactly.
Beautiful. Hey guys, this is JBN coming live from Kenya, Nyabohanse.
From the river.
At the river. I see my sister is eating sugar cane, and actually I've been looking for them.
Okay.
But finally, I'm here with them. Yeah, I had to text somebody to looking for them. I looked for them like a needle. Yeah, I didn't know where you can hide yourself this side. Eh? No one can know.
Yeah, in fact, yeah. We are just cool here.
Yeah. So guys, we are waiting. We are here warming up for the party. Kindly come and join us here at Nyabohanse. The party is on. The party, we're eating sugar canes already, as you can see. Look at this. Organic sugar. You're just enjoying the.
What do you want?
So guys, someone joined us.
Yes.
Yeah.
Introduce yourself.
Yeah, she's called JBN from Uganda. And yeah, kindly, whose channel is this? Shami.
No, this is Mom Nice. Nice Mom.
Nice Mom. Nice Mom is a beautiful lady. I love her so much. Kindly subscribe to her channel if you haven't. If you're from my end, go check on her. She's on the road to
10,000.
10,000 subscribers. Oh my God. Yes.
Yeah.
It can happen.
By the way,
Excuse me, somebody was saying I should save in 1 million.
you said
Yes.
yesterday,
Yes.
Ngitangita challenged me. He
Yes.
asked me, you're on the road to what? I told him, you know, I just started, I'm on road to 2,000. He was like, no, you're on road to 10,000, even more. Don't despise yourself. The boy gave me real.
Yeah,
I was like, I was like, yes. He said, don't despise yourself. You know what? Everything is possible. Tomorrow you wake up, you have 10,000, 20,000.
Exactly.
So, guys, no one is on road to 2,000, 1,000. We are on road to a million.
Someone can be at like 20 subscribers in the morning. They wake up at 20,000.
Exactly.
Yeah. it
Hey,
just
what is
depends
common
on the-
about Ugandan ladies?
Oh,
Yeah.
What's common about Ugandan ladies?
they're very beautiful and they are
Let me
committed.
answer. Let me answer.
Yes.
She asked, what is the common thing about Ugandan ladies? There is this song. It goes, I have seen a lot
Of girls, but the
beauty, but they come from
Uganda.
Uganda.
I'm a big boy. Yeah. That song speaks about us.
Jayden, you are off.
I'm off. I have no idea.
So that song
So,
speaks about
who
us.
sang
by
that
the way.
song? Composed
Munji.
Munji, guys. Big
A lot
out
of girls, but the biggest
Booty girls, they come from Uganda.
Amazing.
So that's the most important. First of all,
Big man. Big man.
This one is
Big
flowing.
Nyash.
yeah. So can you please repeat your question?
Apart from the joke,
Yes.
apart from the joke, what
Yes.
is so common about Ugandan ladies?
Yes.
I think we still have true love. That is so common within
Oh,
us.
for real?
We all love money.
I don't think we have to there's two of Uganda.
Okay.
Say it.
Question.
Then relax. We're going.
Yeah, most Ugandans, they have big calves like
Nyash.
this. Yes.
Bam bam.
Most Ugandans are very most
Change,
hardworking.
change, change, you see? She's not lying. Change. Stand. You see? You see? This is the most crazy vlog.
Are here. They even made a shed.
For real?
That's how big they are. They even made a shed. Anyway, apart from those funny things about us, I think we are very hardworking. I think we are go-getters. We are smart.
Yeah.
We are talented. We sing.
We're everything.
Yeah.
You sing?
Yeah.
Can you try one?
Yeah, I've just been singing.
That one,
We need another one.
We need another one. We need another one.
So, Mami, what
says-
other question do you have for Ugandans?
Why Nyabohanse? All the way from Uganda. Okay, we have many villages. When you're coming here, you've passed so many villages and so many centers and towns.
Actually, it's raining.
Yeah.
Why Nyabohanse?
Yes.
Of course, you know I am Mara. He's an inspiration to most of us YouTubers.
Okay.
And to most of us who are content creators. Let me tell you, it's not that just YouTubers and content creators are inspired by him.
Okay.
I personally, I love traveling, but
Okay.
I didn't know that you can showcase your travels elsewhere on a channel or like on media.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So because of him, he's my inspiration. I'm sure that everyone here came just because of him.
Okay.
He inspires us. The Mwangos have inspired a lot of travelers. That's why we are here. And if Mara was in another village, trust us, let us not lie you would have gone to that village.
Yeah. Okay.
Not Nyabohanse.
Not Nyabohanse.
So Nyabohanse is special because of
I am
Mara. So we have
Okay.
to be proud of that and proud of him.
Okay.
Yes.
Is it the same to you?
Yeah, of course. You know the good thing about us Ugandans, like when we decide, we decide.
Yeah.
So we decided to come here and we are coming.
And we're here.
Okay, and we are here.
Get a power bank for me.
So-
All my phones have died.
I'm sorry.
Okay, sorry.
But you know, me, I would be very, very honest.
Yes.
When they told me we are going to see her,
Yes, Paul. We are here.
You're back.
Yes.
Indeed.
Yes, we are not back.
Yeah.
We were here.
Back the camera, I mean.
Back to the camera. Yes.
I also have a channel. Can I give myself a
Yeah,
shout out?
give yourself a shout out.
Thank you so much. I'm
Yes.
privileged to be in your channel, by the way.
Okay.
Yeah, go and check on me on PAU 914.
Okay.
That's PAU 914. I have a lot of video there, amazing content, guys.
Yeah.
Go and check me there, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be so much glad and grateful. Thank you so much.
Thank you
nice mom.
so much.
I'm a
Yeah.
colleague, by the way.
Yeah, he's
she
a
has been-
colleague.
She has been my teacher,
Yes.
and also right now
And-
she's a colleague.
Yes,
of mine.
exactly.
We've been teaching together in the same school.
Yeah, I understand you finished your
Yeah.
is it diploma?
It's my diploma.
Okay.
I left her in school where she was teaching.
Yeah.
I went to
Back to college?
Back to college where
Yes,
I went to take.
yeah.
I had a P1 certificate.
Yeah.
So I went to upgrade to a diploma.
A diploma.
So I'm now new in the village, by the way. So
You look new. When
I'm
I look
really
at
new.
you, you
Yeah.
look new.
Indeed, I'm new. That's
Yeah.
why I'm really struggling to this making content. But
Yeah.
with time, I know things are going to be well.
Okay.
And but I have a lot of videos in my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Let them go and check me on PAU 914, guys.
Kindly go and check on him. Yeah.
I'm doing
yeah.
some videos back in
Okay.
school,
Yeah.
and also since I came here,
Yeah.
I'm still doing a lot of videos
Okay.
based on village life.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is nice. I got Paul. He was on this motorbike. Where were you coming
I
from?
was coming from. I went down there to check on my cow. I
Okay,
had
your
gone there
cow?
earlier. Yeah, I had gone there earlier and tied it.
Okay.
So I went again to check it because there is a lot of farms around. So it might had gone to maybe to another person's farm. That's why I went there to check on it if it's safe.
Okay, it's like where you tied it. There is a lot of. Okay, is it grass?
Yeah, there's a lot of grass.
Okay.
So that's why I decided to go and tie it there.
Okay, it is
Yeah.
okay. I understand by this time, okay, in our village it has been raining a lot.
Yeah.
So guys, when you look at maybe the farms, even the other side, okay, the motorbike is on this side, but the other side, okay, we have many green. Is it grass? What is that? That one is?
That's wheat.
That
Not
is-
wheat.
there is- there
It's
is-
not wheat.
Yeah.
How do we call it? Millet.
Millet. Is it millet? Okay, these two words
Grains,
always.
millet and.
Yeah, there is millet and sorghum and
and
another
sorghum.
one. Yeah.
No, this one is millet.
Yeah, this one is millet. So millet looks like this. Yeah. Yes, I understand that is the place where Divina is
That
it?
is where
The Divina, she boils
the soup.
the soup.